Welcome to this video. If you're watching this video and you need money instantly, like last week, like yesterday, you're really trying to use the law of attraction for money, carry on watching, because I'm going to show you a really powerful technique by Neville Goddard that you can implement in the next 5 minutes. So it's not going to be a long-winded video. I'm looking forward to showing you this. If you do enjoy it, please share it, please give us a like, and please subscribe if you're interested in using the law of attraction, especially for money, because I've got a lot of videos coming up to help you do that. And when you use these techniques, I actually want you to use them and come back and tell me how successful you are with them, because I'm going to show you exactly how to use them and the key thing that you need to do to attract money in this case. So do check back in and comment. If you're interested in a more in-depth course, totally for free, on how to use the law of attraction, a step-by-step guide, and you actually see what I've managed to manifest in my life, check out the description below. There's a link that will take you through to this page, attractyourdreamstoyou.com. The link's in the description. It will give you a free course on exactly how to use the law of attraction. So let's get straight into it. I've got a really good one for you here, and I'm going to guide you through the steps, something that you can do in the next 5 minutes. So I've got a really basic presentation for you here, but the main thing that I want you to get from this is to try this out, because it's really, really powerful. It's a 5-minute money manifestation. It's from Neville Goddard, and it's focused on really quick money attraction using visualization. So this is something you can use super fast, and if you need money. So let's get straight into it. Step 1, what you want to do is find a quiet place. Sit comfortably and close your eyes and relax your body. Take deep breaths to enter a calm state as if you're about to fall asleep. I recommend this step that you do just before sleep, but you can do it any time as long as you can relax. The main thing that you need to get right with this step is you need to make sure that you're in that calm state. The best way to do that is to take deep breaths, and a breathing technique that you can use is from Thich Nhat Hanh. When you breathe in, you know that you're breathing in, and when you breathe out, you know that you're breathing out. Imagine you were tracing your finger as you're following your breath on a surface. So as you breathe in, trace that finger and follow it all the way in, and as you breathe out, follow it all the way out. And lay there or sit there and do that for a good 5-10 minutes, and that should get you into a calm state that you can then move on to step 2. And step 2 is bring yourself to that almost sleepy state. So Neville Goddard calls this the state akin to sleep. That's actually the name of this money attraction technique with the law of attraction. It's when you're not fully awake, but you're still conscious enough to focus on thoughts. Really relaxed, just before you sink into deeper, into sleep. You're still aware of your thoughts. That's the state that you want to be in. Step 2. Step 3. Okay, the good stuff. Here we go. Step 3, what you want to do while you're in that state is imagine vividly receiving a sum of money, whatever sum that you want, okay? I highly recommend that you pick a sum of money that you know that you want. So don't just pick, $1,000, $5,000, $50,000. Have the sum of money that you'd be happy with, ecstatic with, and feel the physical sensation of holding it, whether it's cash or check, doesn't matter, but I really want you to feel at this point that you're holding it. Imagine someone congratulating you or seeing your bank balance increasing. So that's the first step. You can, as much as possible, really visualize receiving that money, okay? One of the best things of this step is to make sure that you visualize actually receiving it. So you can do it where you see it on the cash point or see it in your bank balance, but one of the ways that I found this effective is to actually physically receive that money. So I find it easier to imagine cash and actually receiving a wad of cash. Okay, step 4, you want to feel the gratitude. As you hold that image in your mind, feel deep gratitude and excitement as if it's already happened. Stay in that feeling for as long as possible. That's the emotional state that attracts the money to you. The state of mind where you feel deep gratitude and excitement as if it's already happened. You've already received the money. What does that feel like? Now, the way you'll know that you're getting this right is that it's contentness. It's a feeling of knowing that you don't have to worry anymore. It's the feeling that the money's in your bank account. It's a freeness. It's not that, like, if you know that you need money now, it's like being wrapped in chains. So you'll know that you've got the gratitude step when you know that, yeah, you feel absolutely free and like you've received the money. And then once you've got that, hold that for as long as possible, for a good 4, 5, 6, 7 minutes, as long as feels comfortable. And then step 5 is important. Let it go. Release the visualization and let go of any need or attachment for the money, and trust the universe has already started working to put that in place. And that's a very, very important step. So really simple 5-step process there, but key thing is to get into that state of feeling really relaxed just before sleep. Another key is to make sure that you visualize receiving the actual money that you want, and then feel the gratitude by feeling as if it's already happened. You're not waiting, you've received, you're happy, you've got what you want. Do follow that process, and then come back to this video in the next 48, 72 hours. Give it 2 or 3 days to work. Come back and let me know how you got on, and that will work for you. So thanks ever so much for watching. Do subscribe, do like the video. Remember to get your free Law of Attraction guide. I'm interested in showing you that. It's totally free, and I'll show you what I've been able to attract in my life. Thank you for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next one.